Yo, what's going on? My name is Michael Petty. There is a new opportunity that popped up June 22nd of last month, 2026, and it's called AI1Up. It's $100 to get started into this opportunity, and you make your first sale that goes to you, your second sale passes up, and then after that, every sale is yours. Now, it's $100 to get started, but I think some things that is left out just in the marketing that I've seen. I did my own little research. Now, I could be 100% wrong in this information. I'm open to it being 100% wrong. But I think you need to get your own hosting, your own email sending service. I ain't talking about AWeber and all that stuff. I think so. I think it comes with an autoresponder, and it comes with lead capture pages, come with a pre-written responder and all those things. But I think in order to use the AI software, as far as the texting or other things, you need to purchase or have some way of getting the AI service account tokens to use these services for the messages to go out, as far as text messages and emails and that. Could be wrong. If I'm completely wrong, let me know in the comments. But when you're talking about everything that's needed to make money online, what is absolutely needed outside of the one-time costs? With Exodus Elite, it comes with lead capture pages, comes with the autoresponder, comes with a sales team to help you close your sales. Of course, all companies come with the sales page. So with that alone, you just feed it traffic, have people connect with you, and there's nothing else necessarily needed unless you want to get into branding or personal emails. We can get AWeber. It's another program that's out there, but yeah, Get Response, and you connect it to Exodus Elite, or you want to get a separate service where you can make your own lead capture pages and everything, but that's not needed in order to have Exodus Elite work. But with AI1Up, I think you need to get the hosting. I could be wrong, and I'm not sure about the email sending service, but I know you need the AI service account tokens, and that's what's required to empower the tool. But the core tools in Exodus Elite is already there. So I'll use the $100 level for example. With the AI1Up, I don't know if it's a just $100. That's it, no admin fee, and you can earn $100 per sale. But with Exodus Elite, it's $49 for the admin fee. Then you pay $100 for the package, training, training products, digital courses, audio and video courses is what Exodus Elite is about. Of course, AI, the service, the product is the AI tools. So it actually comes with a product. So it's not a scam. It's not you just paying money to people. So it's not what they call it. What they call that? Cash gifting, right? It's actual. You get an actual product. So it's not a pyramid scheme because you're selling an actual product. But on top of the $100, the AI tokens come with either extra cost or a monthly cost. The hosting come with the monthly cost. So you're paying $100, but to use the service, it's actually going to be more than that. But with Exodus Elite, you pay the $49 fee and a $100 package, and you're done. And you're able to make $100 sales over and over again. But also inside of Exodus Elite, you have 5 product packages. You got the $100 level, $250, $500, $1,000, and the $2,000. So you can earn anywhere between $100 to $2,000. And that's one thing I like about Exodus Elite is that it's low ticket to high ticket. You earn on all of it. And you come into highest level in Exodus Elite. All the lower levels come with it. If you want to upgrade, you only pay the difference from level to level. For example, you come at the G100, you want to go to 250, you don't have to spend 250. You already own the G100, so you only pay the difference, which is 150, and the difference in the admin fee and the product package to upgrade. Everyone pays the same no matter what level you come in, because you only pay the difference. If you're talking about purchasing the product and let me get traffic, let me start promoting it, I don't need to add anything else in it to use the services. It's ready to go when I sign up. Exodus Elite is it. So if you're looking at AI1Up, I'm not the person. If you want more information about Exodus Elite, click the link down in the description. We have no yearly fees, no monthly fees, and there's no pass-ups inside of Exodus Elite. Once you're in, you're in. You make a sale, You get paid on the level you are. So if you're at the G100, even if you make a $2,000 sale, you're going to get your $100, but the 1,900 will pass up to the next available person. So it's always good to come high as possible, or stack your income and upgrade as you go, so you won't miss any commissions. And the same work that is required to promote AI1Up is going to be the exact same requirement to promote an Exodus Elite. The same work, except you got $100 and you got the potential to make $2,000 in Exodus Elite. So click on the link down in the description. Check out Exodus Elite. And if you make the decision to at least opt in, enter your name and email address to check out some information, I'm going to send you an email that's going to talk about some of the bonuses that I have when you decide to partner with me. With that being said, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, get your information. My name is Michael Petty. See you in the next video.